Richmond. I'm from Flint, Michigan. Super excited about boot camp coming up. Assignment today we're talking to you about is the hand signals for crane operations. So the first hand signal I'm going to show you, the stop. So your arm extended horizontally to the side, palm is down, arm is swinging back and forth. So that's the stop. Emergency stop. So both arms extend horizontally. The side palms are down, arms are swinging back and forth, kind of like you're flying a little bit there. Um, the next one I'm going to show you is the hoist. So with your upper arm extended to the side, forearm and index finger are pointing straight up. Hand and fingers are making small circles there, and that is the hoist. Raise the boom. So with the arm extended horizontally to the side, thumb is pointed up, with all your fingers, all the other fingers closed. It's raising the boom. Um, Next one I have for you is retracting the telescoping boom. So with hands to the front at waist level, thumbs point at each other with fingers closed. And that's just retracting the telescoping boom. Raise the boom and lower the load. So with an arm extended horizontally to the side and thumb pointing up, fingers open and close while load movement is desired. Dog everything. Hands are held together at waist level. That's dog everything. Next one is lower. So with arm and index finger pointing down, hand and finger are making small circle movements. And then lower the boom with your arm extended horizontally to the side, thumb points down with your other fingers closed. You can see that there. And then extend the telescoping boom with hands to the front at waist level, thumbs point outward with your fingers closed. And that's the extending the telescoping boom. Next part of our assignment here, we had 3 questions to answer. First question was how is hand signaling related to safety? The next one, who on the job site is responsible for knowing what hand signals mean? And the next one, what are the basic rules for using hand signals? So I attribute hand signals are directly correlate with on the job safety. I feel like basically, so hand signals provide a universal language to be understood by everyone involved on the work site. That's the crane operators, the supervisors, the hand signalers, and whatnot. It's supposed to be understood by everyone. It's supposed to be concise and presented properly. Hand signals prevent miscommunication and play a very important role in keeping our operations safe on the job site. So, who on the job site is responsible for knowing the hand signals? Definitely the person knowing the signals. I can't stress that enough. Basically, I mean, if you're given the signals and you have no idea what you're doing out there, you could kill yourself. You could kill your coworkers. I mean, that's. I mean, you could even. I mean, you could injure them. All sorts of. You can wreck the load. All sorts of stuff could go wrong, and that's definitely not how you want to start off a good career. Next one, the crane operator. If you don't know the signals as a crane operator, you have no business really being in one, I would say. Um, it's just how it is. Um, I think I think I've seen on pictures of in the inside of some cranes where they've had like the chart of all the signals that can possibly be shown. Um, but you still should. I mean, you can't guarantee on that. I mean, you should know them. Any supervisors? I say that because I mean, what if a lot of supervisors might actually have the crane experience or the hand signal experience, and they may have to jump in to either help or I mean, if somebody calls off or something, they might have to jump in there, and especially if they need the job to get done in a certain amount of time. So they should really know it as well, and to even give commands themselves. I mean, if need be. And then other useful employees, same thing with the supervisors. I mean, I feel like a lot of job sites probably cross train a lot of people, so I mean, if somebody's not able to make it to work, you can't just rely on not having that person. So someone's gonna have to jump in there and get the job done. I would say. Rules for hand signals. Number one, must be company qualified and OSHA approved. I mean, that goes without saying. A lot of stuff in this industry, I would say, not only do you need your company to qualify you, but if you're not approved by OSHA to do it, I mean, you're looking at serious consequences. I would say. Um, Next one, only signal if you're 100% certain with yourself. Basically, I mean, if you don't know all the signals and you don't have them all memorized as part of your job, I mean, it's going to not only causes confusion, but once again, could cause injury. It's a huge safety issue. The next one here, I would say clear, concise, and precise hand signals to avoid any confusion. I mean, you don't want to confuse yourself. You don't want to have other people confused, and you definitely don't want the crane operator confused. That it causes a big issue. And then really just standing in the proper location where the crane operator can see you. I mean, I worked with some, I worked with around like airplanes and stuff like that, and when we're guiding people in and all of that, we want to make sure we have eye contact. There's no blocked view of your signals and all of that. I mean, safety is a huge part of this job and some of my past jobs. So those are some good key rules I would say for hand signals. Um, so that's all I have for today. My name is Alex Richmond. Thank you very much.